Welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is going to be a different type of video. It's not necessarily going to be a vlog or a challenge, but what it's going to be is we have this mower that can drift, and we're going to go drift the mower. So let's get right to it. Guys, so we're about to get started. I have it out. Look, I just hit some sick donuts. So it's my turn first. I'm going to be recording for him, so let's get right into it. All right, here we go. Get your finger out of it. Stay out of the way. Just look what we've done! We have a lot of work to do after this! Whoa! Guys, we tore this thing up. Look here. It's really like all over the place. We have a lot of work to do. They got to get this back to normal. Just look through here. Like, look, we skirted this place up. Guys, we have a tad bit of work to do, eh? I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you share it with your friends. Subscribe and like this video. I'm going to try to post pretty much every day. So give me some nice comments. Tell me what you want me to do. And I will see you next time. Peace out.